Right, time for some food. What am I grabbing? Okay, I should have known. Want something while I'm up? No, maybe some root beer. Of course. You and your root beer all the time. Let's go get it. Hey, you're snotting on me. No. I can't help it, it's just a... Take that sneezing away from me! Oh. Sorry, I just... Is that a no for the root beer? Oh well, I have one on standby. What is your deal? I don't know, I've just been sneezing all day. Well, stop! It's getting on my nerves! I don't get it. Why am I sneezing? Oh well, I don't care. Yo, what up, cat? Hey guys, you wanna do something today? I don't know. How about we play tag? Okay. You're it. Oh, are you scared? No, I just... No, there's no need to be scared. That's it. I'm done playing with you, you snothead. Oh, come on, I couldn't help it. Oh, well. Hey there, cat. Oh, what are you so excited about? Well, I wanted you to test this new root beer for me. It's in this McDonald's cup. Already did. It tastes pretty good, though. I'm sure. Can you try it for me again? I'd love to. It's a kind I made that will keep you from going crazy. If the results are good, you got snot all over me, you idiot! No! Oh! Sneeze at somebody else! You stupid ball of fur! I don't get it. Why have I been sneezing all day? I mean, it is allergy season. That's it, cat. I've had enough. You've been sneezing on too many people. You're getting the microwave treatment. No, not again. Have fun there. Oh. Wait, let me out of here, Todd. Oh, please don't make me go back in there. I hated it the last time. Yeah. Don't do it. Yeah. I told you, don't do it. That's it! I cannot take this anymore. You will stop sneezing right now. Stop now! I can't, Slappy, I can't. It's time to learn. Well, that's it, I'm getting the nurse in here. There's one nurse I know that's good, and it's Kay. Not her. He won't stop sneezing, and I've had enough. Do something about it. me down.
You got punched the nose for 10 hours.
What? I need to breathe. That won't work.
Well, you could, but you got no mouth.
No way.
Well, then you
Yeah,
have to
that's
go
a
in the hospital. You have to go in the hospital now.
Can you just do it here?
Okay. I'm gonna go get my food.
Ooh, root beer juice. Ow! Ow! Ow!
You had to have 14,000 shots.
That hurt.
Now take this medicine. It tastes really, really bad. You should do that every single day. You should be better by yesterday.
Hey, I'm not sneezing. That's it. Good job. High five. Ow! Oh. Well, I'm glad that's taken care of. See ya. Yeah, I'm in a good mood. I wonder what was making him sneeze so much. Well, it is allergy season, so. Kylie! I'm sneezing! I need your help!